Hey guys, Max with Avon Website Pro here, and there's nothing more frustrating than somebody copying your content, uploading it to their channel, and then making money off it. You know, that's plagiarism, and it's frustrating. But fortunately, YouTube has a tool that you can use and report these people and get it off their channel. Now, here, if you go to your YouTube Studio dashboard, you just hover over your picture and then click on your dashboard. You'll have your dashboard here, and that's where I'm at. And you scroll down to the copyright thing. You know, you might have to scroll down because of YouTube's layout here, and I've had mine on dark. But as you can see, there's another YouTube station that I have right here, but it's saying that they copied 100%. I know that that's my son. Okay, so I don't care about that. But these guys right here, uh, video pagers, V2U video status, web strategy lessons, so on and so forth. They're taking my they're taking my videos and putting it on their channels. I mean, how crazy, right? So how do you deal with that? Well, you just tick the videos that you want removed. I actually think this is one of my other channels that I have this video up on there. But what I want to do is request the removal, and then I'm going to have to fill out this information here, copyright owner, relationship, blah blah blah. So I'm going to go ahead and go down through all here and have it removed right now. So if any of you out there are wondering if people are copying your content, that's how you go find out. This is Max with Avon Website Pro. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video tutorial.